Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 122.
AwesomeMath122. So let me move this chair out of the way for you. All right, so we've been studying we've been studying percentages.
Yeah.
And one place where percentages come up a lot, actually, is when you buy things at the store, and then there's a tax associated with that. It's called the sales tax.
Why did they add that?
Well, it's how the states collect money for their governments.
Oh.
So I made up a problem. It said a robot costs $120.
Yep.
So you're going to buy a robot. But the sales tax is 8% of the price. So what's the final price you're actually going to end up paying?
Including the tax.
Including the tax. Yeah, how do we figure that out? Let's
Well,
talk about it before we start writing.
You'd have to do 120 plus 120 of 8% of 120.
Aha. How are we going to figure out what 8% of 120 is?
Well, we're going to have to do our percent equation.
Okay. Go ahead and, can you write on that side? Are you okay writing on that side?
So, we're going to do,
You want to switch sides with me? Is it easier for you to be on this side?
so,
Sorry about that.
so this would be 8, it's x over 120 is 8 over 100.
Ooh, very good. Okay, so we have to figure out how to solve this equation. X over 120 equals 8 over 100.
Well, you can simplify, this is 2 over 25.
8 over 100 is 2 over 25.
So-
Okay, I like that. That's simplify before you multiply. That's good.
It turns into 240 over 25.
Okay, so how did you get 240 over 25?
Oh, it's because you're multiplying. It's x equals. This is what x equals. It's 240 over 25.
Okay, how are we going to simplify that?
Well, I'm gonna have to we can take out a 5. Well, that'll be, 48 over 5, and we can't simplify that anymore.
Not really. How did you figure out so quickly that 240 divided by 5 was 48?
Well, I divided by 10 and then multiplied by 2.
Oh, wow, good trick. Okay. Now, 48 divided by 5, how are we going to figure out what that is? Because we need it as a decimal, because we're talking about money here.
Well, you could sort of split it up. You could sort of split the 40 off, so
Okay.
then it would be 40 divided by 5 it's 8, and then 8 and 8/5.
8 and 8/5.
So
okay.
that would be 9 and 3/5.
9 and 3/5, okay.
9, so that would be 9.6.
9.6, okay. So how much is the tax in this situation?
It would be $9.6. That would be $9.06.
How many cents?
Well, $9.60.
And 60 cents. Yeah, not
Because-
6 cents.
This is in tens place. It would be 6 cents. It would be 9.06.
Right, if it was 6 cents, it would be 9.06, but we have 9.6. So,
So it
that's
says,
$9.
what is the final price including tax? So we
Yeah.
have to add these. So it's $129.60.
$129.60. Very good. Good job. Good job, sweetie. That was great working through that. That's a good example of how percentages come up every single day when you buy something. Good job.